Nick Jones, the founder and CEO of Soho House, joins us now. Due to list today on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker MSG, about a $3 billion valuation, as Brian just said. Congrats on that, Nick, and welcome.
Well, thank you, Wilf, and thank you for having me on.
I wanted to touch, first of all, actually, not on the IPO, but just a pandemic question. You're spread out all over the world, different rules and regulations during lockdown. How tough was that, and how big's the bounce back been in those clubs you've been able to reopen?
Well, obviously, it was very challenging, but the great thing was the loyalty of our members. They stuck by us. They came to the clubs when they opened. And what we're seeing now is the UK, where I'm coming from now, is reopening properly on Monday. And our members are definitely coming back to the houses. America, the same. Europe is a bit slower, and Asia is a bit slower. But, you know, what we are seeing is a really big and convincing bounce back.
You're often described as being elite and exclusive, Nick, and of course you are a members club, and you have a pretty long wait list of people wanting to get in and be a member. So do you think that's a fair framing of things, that you're exclusive? No,
we are inclusive. We let anyone join our clubs. We love anyone from anywhere join our clubs, and it doesn't matter if you're a struggling scriptwriter or an artist who hasn't yet sold their first piece of art. We love you being part of Soho House.
In terms of membership growth and membership numbers, just remind us the numbers at the moment. How many members are you, and is there a limit when you're trying to keep that kind of sense of differentiation in terms of how many members you can grow to?
Well, the membership growth is all in new houses, and what our members love most is us opening new houses. We're opening in Rome this year, Paris this year, Tel Aviv this year, and our members couldn't be more excited. And also what it does is create a really interesting local membership, which joins the global membership of Soho House.
In terms of those members, I know you watch a bit of our shows over here, and we've been very focused on retail traders over the last year or so. In this IPO process, you were able to offer stock to the 120,000 Soho House members. Was their interest in taking up the stock significant?
Well, incredible. And it really touched me, in fact, that our members wanted to be part of the growth story of the MCG, Soho House. And, you know, it was a very high percentage who took it up.
And then finally, the app aspect of your membership, does that give you more than just physical hotel-style characteristics when you list? It's a bit of a dating app, a bit of a social network as well.
Yes, and what we have created now is a totally hybrid club, global hybrid club, where you can go physically and you can continue your membership digitally. You can connect with members, you can join the conversation, and you can watch an incredible amount of content provided by our members. So yes, we see a real growth in digital membership in the future.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.